Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious caramel iced latte. First, gather your essential ingredients: 2 shots of espresso, your preferred milk, caramel sauce, and plenty of ice. Begin by brewing 2 shots of strong espresso. This forms the crucial foundation of your drink, so make sure it's freshly prepared and hot for the best flavor. A good espresso shot is key to a rich and satisfying latte experience. Next, prepare your serving glass. Drizzle 1 to 2 tablespoons of caramel sauce into the bottom of your glass, depending on your sweetness preference. Then, pour in about 1 cup of your favorite cold milk. You can use dairy or a plant-based alternative. Gently stir the caramel and milk together until they are well combined. This ensures an even distribution of sweetness throughout your latte. Now it's time to bring it all together. Fill your glass almost to the top with ice cubes. The more ice, the colder your latte will be. Carefully pour the hot, freshly brewed espresso over the ice. You'll notice the beautiful layers forming as the hot espresso meets the cold milk and caramel. This step is crucial for chilling the espresso quickly without diluting the flavor too much. To finish, add a generous dollop of whipped cream on top, and for an extra touch of indulgence, drizzle more caramel sauce over the whipped cream. Your homemade caramel iced latte is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately and savor every delicious sip. For those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. It's a resource that could truly change your perspective on money.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.